guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be showing you how to get Office apps for completely free and without charge. Let's get into it. Now search up Office Deployment Tool on your search bar. Click on the first link you find. Scroll down and press download. Now run the file. Accept the terms and agreements and save it onto your desktop. After saving it, open it up. Follow carefully and open CMD on the location. Copy the first code given in the description and paste it here. Remember, put the file path like I am. Copy the file path, paste it and then run. Please be patient while it downloads. Make sure you don't close CMD. You can minimize it while you're waiting. If you're following me correctly, you will see a new file pop up. Don't leave the video right now. We are not done yet. Now look carefully at the screen. Press Shift and right click together and open a PowerShell window. After that, copy the second code I've given in the description and paste. If you followed me correctly, you will see this. You have to wait for it to download. It might take some time. While waiting, why not check out my other videos? They might help. As you can see here, you will receive a notification saying that installation has finished. You're finally set to go. You can open your Office apps now. I'd like to share a tip with you guys. Make sure you're not logged in onto any account while using Office apps. It might ask you for an activation code.
Yeah.